Hi friends, now I give you one meditation exercise. So now I take this position and every day you do this exercise minimum 2 times, morning and evening. If you do this exercise, your mind and body, everything will be relaxed and feel free, and you don't feel any problem in your body, in your life. So try to do this for relaxation. Thank you. Now you fixed your both legs and your first finger and thumb finger close. See, first finger and thumb finger close, and sit up and close your eyes and don't talk. You stop and fully take meditate. In here I told you, if you want to do your breathing, you can breathe using your mouth and release using your nose. So I do this for better. Relax. Thank you.